Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have made the project of ESP32 cam sending the photo to the Telegram app. So basically this project has the function, this project requires an ESP32 cam, a FTDI programmer and some jumper wires. So first of all we have to program the ESP32 cam with the Telegram code, and then we have to create the bot ID. We have to create a bot in the Telegram app. You can go to the bot father and create a bot father and create your bot, and you can access the key of the bot, and you have to save it. It will be used further, and then you have to get your ID from the get ID bot in the Telegram, and you can get your ID. You have to save it for further use. So in this project we require some libraries, which is this all are the libraries, and we have to include the Arduino JSON.h library, which is available in the Arduino itself. You can go to you can go to the include library and manage libraries, and you can search your Arduino JSON library. In my case it is installed. In this you have to install the Arduino JSON by Bernard Blancon, and not this one. So you have to install it, and I have selected the version 6.15.2. The latest version 6.17.3, but you have to use 16.15.2. Okay, and you have to install the Universal Telegram bot.h library from the GitHub page. I will provide the link below in the description, and you can download it from Arduino also, but it won't work properly as it works from downloading the Telegram page. And then you can just go to the include library, and just you can add the add-zip library. Um, in this you can go to downloads and then just nigger and Universal Telegram bot master library and just add it. So the libraries are included, and this requires a Wi-Fi network. So you have to insert the SSID of the Wi-Fi network and the password of the Wi-Fi network. And I told you that you have to save the bot token. You have to insert it in the string bot token. It is a 25 character key token, and the string chat ID means the ID which you got from the ID bot, and then you have to just upload it. I have uploaded the code in this. So now I will show you how it works. So first of all you have to go to the, and yes, you have to select the board AI Thinker ESP32 cam. You have to the flash frequency must be 80 megahertz, and the CPU frequency must be 240 megahertz, and the port available in the port you have inserted must be selected, otherwise it will not be working. And you may also get some errors, such as fatal error occurred, can't connect to the ESP32 cam. Then you must increase the partition scheme to UJEP, and also you can just see the connections if an fatal error occurred is come, or Arduino can't or ESP32 cam can't connect to the Wi-Fi network. So we have to go to the serial monitor. I will just clear the output, and you have to select the baud rate of 115200. And now after uploading the code, you have to remove the ground pin which is connected to the UIO or IUO. So I'll just remove it. Okay. So now you have to just press the onboard reset button, and then it will connect. Yes, it is connected to Nisar, and it is connected. So let me just show you. This is my bot, and just you have to start the bot. Then the bot will be started. So it is coming. Welcome Nisar. Use the following commands to interact with the ESP32 cam. /photo takes a new photo, and /flash toggles the flash. So now I will take a /photo. The photo is took by the ESP32 cam, and you can see, and I will and the toggle flash will on the flash, and now I will take a photo. You can see the flash will be open. You can see in the reflection, and the photo will come. So you can see in the phone screen that the flash is on. So this is the program how it works, and now you can also add it to groups by in this bot, and you can also use it so anyone can access it, but only the admin will can be able to modify it, but the members who are present can also access it. So this was the whole project. So if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel, and please share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.